Hello and welcome back to another video. It's your boy Solo Kage FX, and today, guys, by Kishinpain, we'll be watching Chainsaw Man versus Naruto. So, I have not seen this yet, hence is the reason why I'm going to be watching it today. And you guys are going to sit here potentially, maybe, I don't know how long you plan on watching this with me. This sounds like a stupid but seriously stupid video, but we'll be watching this. It's only about a minute or so long, so spare a minute of your time and spare 2 seconds of your time to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, without further ado, here we go.
My dream is to become Datebayo! I mean Okage!
Ha! Your dream is stupid! You're stupid!
How dare ya! Will your dream be better than mine? What do you want?
You know what? I want 2 big fat tits!
Ha! Joke's on you, Sim! I can turn into a nasty chick.
Jesus.
Give it to me! Give it to me now!
Oh no. This is getting weird. This is getting weird. No. 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 No.
Hey! You tried to abuse me! I'm gonna raise and cut your ass!
No, you can't! That's cancer! You're freebooting!
Oh my god, it's Freezer!
Wakanda forever!
What the fuck? What? Why did homie just... What? Alright guys, I'm confused as ever, bro. That was the most weird... I know he makes weird content, but damn it, man. Freeze it at the head. Wakanda forever! And just knocks them both out. Jeez, man. I swear to gosh. People getting so damn creative with these fucking videos, bro. Without further ado, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I don't know. Go get yourselves a bags of hot Cheetos and chips and other delicious snacks and sit at home and watch these or watch my YouTube videos and just, you know, kick it. Fuck. Just, that's it. You know? Shit.
羽ばたい